every solder joint supports. And product reliability. Raycost's laser wire soldering system enables precise soldering for MOS-powered device leads. Non-contact laser heating focuses energy directly on the joint, helping reduce thermal stress on sensitive components with dough beam shaping and closing. Loop temperature control. The solder flows smoothly to form clean, consistent joints well, lowering the risk of cold soldering, bridging, and overheating. Automated wire feeding and accurate energy control delivers stable results, ideal for high-volume production. For applications such as new energy, power modules, and industrial electronics, Raycost provides a smarter, more reliable soldering solution. Raycost, making every connection more reliable.